This video will demonstrate how to create a discussion topic. From the organizational homepage, select the desired course using the My Courses widget or the course selector icon at the top right of the page. From your course level navbar, select Discussions to access the Discussions tool. You can also access the Discussions tool through your course admin link if you do not have the Discussions tool on your course navbar. Discussion topics are housed within discussion forums. To create a discussion topic, select the New Topic from the Discussions tool. Fill out the discussion topic properties, including selecting the discussion forum that the discussion topic should be associated with, selecting the topic type, adding a title, using the Brightspace editor to add a description, and selecting the topic options and rating system if desired. Navigate to the Restrictions tab to set the discussion topic restrictions. This includes visibility, date availability, release conditions, and group and section restrictions if required. Optionally, you can create a graded discussion topic with a linked grade item. To do this, navigate to the Assessment tab. Apply a grade item that will count toward the final grade calculation. Please note, you can choose a pre-existing grade item if you have already created grade items within the gradebook. Finally, apply a point value within the Score Out of field. The Score Out of field for the discussion topic does not need to have the same value as the associated grade item. Brightspace will automatically calculate and translate the score out of value compared to the associated grade item value to apply the appropriate score within the gradebook. To create a graded discussion topic with an associated rubric, select Add Rubric to apply an existing rubric to the discussion topic, or choose Create Rubric in New Window to create and associate a new rubric. If desired, configure the discussion topic to follow individual post evaluations. Select Allow Assessment of individual posts and set the calculation. Navigate to the Objective tab next to the Assessment tab to associate a learning objective to the discussion forum. Select Save and Close to create the discussion topic, or Save and New to create more topics. Discussion topics can be added into content modules within the Content tool to provide a streamlined navigational experience for students. To do this, navigate to your course level homepage, navigate to the Content tool, select the module you want to add a discussion to, select Existing Activities and Discussions. Click the specific discussion forum to access discussion topics. Select the appropriate discussion topic you want to display in your content module. The discussion post will now be visible in your content module.